Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps on your device which you don't use at this moment, they could cause your device to work slowly. So what you can do about it: if you have the 3 buttons navigation, you will have the recent button here, so you just tap on it and you will access the recent apps. But if you have the gesture navigation, you have to access recents by sliding your finger here and then just hold it for a bit, and now you can see all of your opened apps. As you can see, I have a lot of opened apps which I don't use right now. And what you can do about them all, just tap on this cross here, and after that they all will be closed at once, and as you can see, no more apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.